Hi, welcome to TurnerTime. This tutorial is on how to turn off conversation view in Classic Outlook on Windows 11. The same tutorial is available for your iPhone or Android phone that you can watch on our website or YouTube channel. In the conversation view, the chain of emails are hidden under the recent email on that subject, which can be frustrating for some people. If you don't like it, no worries. You can turn it off. This process is shown in Classic Outlook on Windows 11. Let's learn how you will do that. Go to the View tab in your ribbon. Uncheck Show as Conversations. It will ask you if you want to make that change for the current folder or all mailboxes. I will select Current Folder because I want to turn it off in my current folder only. And here we go. The emails are no longer grouped together. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also, give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463.